Hello guys, here again welcome to form follows function. Today we will learn how to create the shadow of human. The very basic and simple technique I will show you. If you want to learn, then continue watching this video. And before I start, subscribe us now and press the bell icon guys. So here is the render image in which I want the human with shadow, and in the other tab I have the human PNG which I want to add. So what I did is drag that human image in this render image. Now we need to correct the scale of the human in respective to building. To resize it, we need to transform it. Shortcut is Ctrl+T. Now resize it from the corner with pressing the shift button. Don't press the shift in Photoshop CC 2019 or upper versions. Okay, now correct the position and it's time to create the shadow. For that, make the duplicate of the human layer by pressing Ctrl+J. You can right click on the layer and then click on duplicate. After that, turn on the transform from Ctrl+T, then stretch it down from the corner with pressing the Ctrl button. Here make sure you are creating the shadow with respect to the light, and also keep this stretched layer below the human layer. Now right click on the shadow layer and go to blending options. Here you have to turn on the color overlay and change the color to grey, or pick the color from the other object shadows. After that, you can see it's too much sharp. So to remove that sharpness, we will add the blur. Make sure you selected the shadow layer, go to filters, blur, and then select the Gaussian blur. And adjust the Gaussian blur according to you. Okay, here the final step left, which is to create the depth shadow near the object. To do so, create the new layer from Ctrl+Shift+N. Here now choose the brush and change the brush roundness to 20% and select the black color and also decrease the flow. Now create the shadow near the legs. That's how I create the shadow, or you can say a real human in the image, which looking so perfect. If you like, you can watch the other videos too. And guys, do subscribe us now and join me on Instagram. Link is available in the description.